Welcome to my honest review of Everlywell, a telehealth platform that offers a wide variety of at-home health tests. Everlywell provides a convenient way to access lab tests from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking for hormone testing, food sensitivity tests, or vitamin B checks, Everlywell has you covered with a range of options. I'll walk you through how easy it is to navigate their website and place an order. Once you select your test, you'll be able to choose from a range of tests like thyroid function, food sensitivities, or even an at-home COVID test. The process of ordering is straightforward, and Everlywell offers a very user-friendly interface, making it simple to understand which test you need. After ordering, the next step is to receive your testing kit. The kits are carefully packaged with clear instructions for how to collect your samples. For most tests, you'll need to provide a blood or saliva sample. What's great is that they send everything you need, so you don't need to worry about finding vials or other supplies. The instructions are simple to follow, and the whole process took me only a few minutes. Once you collected your sample, the next step is to send it back to Everlywell's lab. They provide a prepaid shipping label, so you don't have to worry about any additional costs. After sending your sample, you'll receive email updates about the status of your test, so you can track the progress. The results come in an easy-to-read format online, which is one of the standout features of Everlywell. The results are broken down with clear explanations and recommendations, so you don't need to be a medical expert to understand what they mean. For example, if you're taking a food sensitivity test, you'll get a report detailing which foods are causing issues based on your body's reaction. While the results are easy to understand, it's important to note that Everlywell doesn't offer live consultations with doctors, so if you need expert advice, you'll have to reach out to your healthcare provider. That said, Everlywell offers some follow-up options where you can pay for additional support, such as phone consultations with doctors or nutritionists. Overall, I was impressed by Everlywell's ease of use, the variety of tests available, and the clarity of the results. However, I did find that the tests can be a bit pricey, and some users might prefer a more direct doctor-patient interaction. Still, for those looking for a simple, at-home testing solution, Everlywell is a solid option. If you're thinking about trying Everlywell or have questions about at-home health testing, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews of telehealth services and wellness products. Thanks for watching.